Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be talking about the Chef Noobi. I am hoping I am saying that right. Noobi, Noobi premium heavy duty kitchen shears, professional ultra sharp stainless steel kitchen scissors with a multi-purpose, multifunctional. It's supposed to be perfect for the kitchen, indoor and outdoor use. Now I saw these and I picked these up because I was processing a bunch of chickens and my old scissors had just had it, so I just went on Amazon real quick and did a search and found these guys, and I ordered them, got them, and gave them a try. This is the box that it comes in. It says that it's 100% quality. Got a scale scraper, cuts meat. It's got a bottle opener. It's got a nut cracker. It is made in China. I'm sorry. That's what the back right there, it actually says all of that. It cuts meat, scale scraper for cutting fish. For cleaning fish, bottle opener, and nut cracker from China. This is what they look like. Pretty sleek looking. It comes with a, I don't know if it's called scabbard for scissors, but it comes with a case, sheath, covering, whatever. It comes with it, so it keeps you from not hurting yourself. And then there you see, right, let me see, get that in focus. In focus. That's not gonna focus because of the light. But as you can see, that's a little bit of focus. It has a fish scaler up here, it has the bottle opener here, and nutcracker right here. Now, as far as this supposed to be a professional ultra sharp stainless steel kitchen scissors, scissors themselves, they are sharp. They are very sharp. However, what I noticed was cutting through meat, it was struggling trying to get through just cleaning and processing a medium-sized chicken. So I was not happy about that at all. They are very, very, very light. I will say that the bottle opener actually does open bottles. I haven't used a fish scaler because I have my knives and my scaler for that, but it feels like it would work. It feels very heavy duty here, and I don't see why you wouldn't be able to just scrape and get those scales off of that fish. It feels good in the hand. There you go. It feels good in the hand. It feels really smooth. Like I said, the blades are actually sharp, but it didn't cut through the meat quite as well as I thought. It has these perforated edges in here to help cut through some of that gristle, which it did, but it did take a lot of force as opposed to some of the other scissors that I have used, especially for cutting through meat. It's not ideal in my opinion. If you are cutting and processing your own meat regularly, if you buy one whole chicken out of the year, or you just have a bird like a turkey at Thanksgiving time, then this will probably suit you because you only have to go through that agony once or twice a year. But if you are processing game and other animals several times in a month, then you're going to be let down and disappointed with a Noobi chefs. But like I said, if you're an occasional cooker, if you're occasionally cutting stuff, processing stuff, then they'll work good enough. You don't have to spend a lot of extra money. They're really cheap for what they are, cheap as in price wise. The hinge on these does not feel like it's going to come up. I've had some before that I've seen that when you're cutting, this just pops off and now you have two pieces and then it's ruined and you can't use them at all whatsoever. So yeah, that's what I like about these. That's what I do not like about these. Cleaning them, I don't know if it's dishwasher safe or not, but I let them sit in some vinegar after processing, and then I just threw them in the dishwasher and let the dishwasher work its magic. As you can see, they are still holding up. No discoloration or anything like that. Stainless steel, so there's no rust or anything. And it comes with that scabbard. That's kind of cool. What I also like about this is if they were up to par and I was going to take this out into the field, even though it does say that it's indoor, outdoor, it has a scabbard, so you'll be able to put this into your pack. And it's very, very light, so you're not going to feel that weight at all, and you're also not going to slip, fall, cut yourself, or if you just happen to be going against your mama's wishes and you're running with scissors, this is the best way to show mom that you're not going to hurt yourself, is with that right there. So there you go. My last final thoughts about these heavy duty kitchen shears that are also, they are very sharp. It just didn't hold up with that leverage, cutting through gristle and cutting through that bone. My opinion on these would be, if you're a once in a while processor or cooker, these will work for you. If you're doing it all the time, I believe you're going to be disappointed. So it's up to you. Those are my thoughts on this, and that's all I have to say about the Chef Noobi Premium Heavy Duty Kitchen Shears. You guys have a nice one.